Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to change username on Windows 10 or 11. So to do that, let's head over to the search icon in here and here write control panel, and here you will find the control panel. Head over there. Now in these options of your computer settings, just go to user accounts. And from here, just you will find these three options. Go to change account type under user account section. Now select your Windows account. Now here you'll find the options to make changes on your Windows 10 account or the 11 account. The first one is change the account name, create a password, change the account type, or manage another account. Now go to change the account name, as we want to change our account's name. Now here give a new name and make sure to click on change name and the name will be selected. So, and this name will appear on the welcome screen and on the start screen. So yeah, this is how easily you can change your username on Windows 10 or 11. Hope this video helped you out and we'll see you in the next video.